Hello, I'm Magda from I'm a Little Creature. In this video I'll do the unboxing of a July KnitCrate membership subscription, but firstly I'd like to show you something I made from KnitCrate yarn. This is a shrug. I'll tell you about the pattern in a moment. Firstly I show you this is from February crate. And yarn, it's a colorway electric abalone. It was a theme good vibes only, and the yarn it's a Odin Wool's Hello Decay. If you want to watch the unboxing of this February crate, link is in video description, and the link to the post in my blog is also in video description. As for the pattern, it's not from the KnitCrate, but I found the pattern. I purchased it on the Berocca, www.berocca.com, Alfama by Amy Christophers. Really nice rack. Frankly speaking, I didn't check gauge before making this project because I wanted to knit the sweater so much, but the next time I'll try to check the gauge. I used 80mm knitting needles and 6mm knitting needles for this ribbing, and do you see? But my sweater, this shrug, is a bit shorter than this because I used the other yarn, and but it's okay. I'll try to put it on maybe in the next time, or definitely in the end of the year I'll try to make the video with all the things I made from KnitCrate yarns. Okay, let's start and open the box. Before I do this, I'd like to tell you that this is the first month that KnitCrate offered the color vibes, so the subscribers could set the color they like, and between June 13 and 25 you had to make your selection for July, and for the August it opens between July 20 and 25. You have 4 possibilities: a palette of the colors, Energize Me, Chill Out, All Natural, and Anything Goes if you want to be surprised. What is more, if you want to get a discount for your first crate, I recommend you to click my link and use my coupon code AMILC20 to get a discount. Okay, so I'm opening the box. All the colorways are great. I like all the colors in this crate. So I wanted to be surprised. Oh, it's really soft. I like this yarn so much. Knitology by KnitCrate. Let's look at the label. Knitology glowing worsted, colorway Flying Trapeze. The colorway is from the palette Chill Out, and the 2 others, it was Energize Me, it was Light Up, and in the All Natural palette it was Pachyderm. So you get 2 skins. 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. Worsted weight 137 meters per 100 grams. Oh, it's 5-6 millimeters needle. Really great. Let's look at... oh, we have an extra in this crate. Let's look at this. Mermaid City yarn. You can read it You can enter the website. And we have, this is really nice little elephant stitch marker with a lobster clasp. So you may mark anywhere to mark the rows, beginning of your rows or round. Look at this beautiful elephant. I definitely will use it. Thank you very much, KnitCrate, for this extras and for these beautiful yarns. And let's look at the booklet for July. Inside the booklet you will find this is table of contents, membership crate, inspiration, yarns, extras, patterns, and the patterns you see. And below this table of contents you'll find links to download digital patterns. So I can't show you, unfortunately. Colors of Wonder, and the theme is a circus. Enter a world of wonder where anything is possible under the spotlight and sparkle of a magical circus. This month's theme takes us on a fantastic journey behind the big top, pulling inspiration from vintage circus posters, gliding carousels and joyful crowds. This theme was designed with the help of KnitCrate subscriber Kathleen Alice, who won a contest we held back in 2018. You see the patterns. Crochet pattern, Risley by Katie Clary. And knit pattern, Ring Glitter by Hannah Thiessen, hand warmers. And for socks you see crochet pattern After Show by Dimitra Bogri and Vargas by Rinetti. I'm sorry once again if I didn't pronunciate it properly, I'm not good at this. And something about the yarns and extras. Knitology Glowing Worsted, I have read it, so you have the information. Oh, you see that retail value, it's $24 per skein, and you get this crate within a subscription with this extras, with the booklet with the patterns for $24.99 per month. So isn't it worth? You have to decide. I think it's a great deal. And socks, you see the socks. And this is a pattern, Ring Glitter hand warmers. You saw it. And skill level beginner. And you have a Risley Cowl. Skill level intermediate for this crochet cowl. What can I show you more? I have to check. You see a pattern for the sock. Beautiful yarn, really colorful. And here we have the pattern and the After Show slippers, crochet, and a pop-up pick, zombie yarns, zombie knits, quite interesting colors, you see. And I like it. Theme pick for the next month we have a Take Wing, August 2019, beautiful little birds. I can't wait to see the yarns. So once again you have to look at these yarns. You see the glow, the one strand. What is more, I recommend you to visit the KnitCrate website. You may get value packs, artisan pop-up shop yarns. You may visit KnitCrate magazine.knitcrate.com to read more about the yarns, crates and patterns, and you can join in the Ravelry group to talk about the crate. Thank you very much, the KnitCrate, that you give me the opportunity to test your yarns. They are beautiful, they are lovely, soft and squishy, and I like to work with them very much. And I'm really excited to see what is in the next crate. See you in the next video. Bye!